What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're actually going to go over the GTR that I bought, give you some more details and how I actually feel like I bought the highest mile 2017 Nissan GTR in the United States. Let's get into the video. So this is it. Sorry, it's a little bit windy out in this garage. Hopefully you can't hear it too much, but this is my 2017. If you know GTRs, the 2017 is a different facelift on the front and the back and the interior. It's a little bit more premium than the older GTRs. This is it. It's a 2017 with 75,000 miles on this car. It's a little bit over 75,000 miles currently. I got it with 74,000 miles like 3 months ago. Now, I haven't really made too many videos about it, but this is really it. There's 75,000 miles on the body and the engine was actually replaced by Nissan at around 22,000 miles. So it has about 55,000 miles on the engine as well. You can see that the rims are OEM, but they're blacked out completely. The stock ones have some silver in between some of the spokes. There's Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires that are pretty good in terms of the tread life, probably like 50%. And there's really no issues whatsoever with this car. It's pretty much stock except the exhaust. It is a Tomai exhaust that is section 2 and 3, so it still has the first initial cuts, but it's pretty freaking loud. But besides that, the other mods, there's really no other mods except that it does have full frontal paint protection film on the front and it's ceramic coated all around the whole entire vehicle. So it's a pretty clean white exterior with black interior. The only other mod that I did, which I made a video about, is I did the steering wheel replacement to a carbon fiber one, but you can see there's really no changes on the interior. It's just black interior with some WeatherTech floor mats that I got and pretty much just OEM, that's it. So buying a GTR can definitely be a pretty scary purchase because a lot of these can be beat on or they have a lot of different mods and you really got to be careful with what GTR that you actually get. I actually was fortunate enough to have the buyer do a pre-purchase inspection before I got this one by a Nissan dealership and everything checked out and there was no issues whatsoever on this car. And all the maintenance was pretty much up to date. With oil changes, brake changes, and even transmission fluid all done pretty recently. So this is definitely a pretty clean car that I hope to enjoy for a good amount of time. Now, in terms of the price, because it is a 2017, and if you know the GTR markets, GTRs hold crazy values with 2008 still being about $40,000 to $50,000. This 2017 GTR with over 75,000 miles, I was able to purchase for $70,000 plus taxes and financing and all that stuff. I'll probably make another video on how much I actually pay for my GTR with the financing so you can get a good idea and I can be completely transparent with you on that. So check out that video when I post it. So yeah, I hope to enjoy this GTR for at least a couple of years because I really miss having an exhaust car because the Tesla Model 3 just isn't the same even though it's fast. All right guys, this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below if you have any questions about the GTR or the Tesla Model 3. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. All right guys, thanks for watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.